is your friend Jake, and then in this tutorial video guys, we will learn how to create a program that will print half a pyramid using the symbol asterisk in Java. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my subscribers in my channel. We are gradually increasing by numbers and then the number of viewers. Thank you for your support. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel by subscribing guys if you are new. So let's get started. I'm using Eclipse as my integrated development environment. It is free to download in the internet. I'm using Eclipse IDE for Java developers, Helios version. So we have here the comment Java import Java util scanner for input output, and then we have here a class half underscore pyramid, and then we have the next public static void main. It is a method, the starting and ending point of our execution of our Java program. And then we have a variable number which has a data type of integer. We initialize the variable number by 0. Scanner input, new scanner. We create encapsulate a variable input for input output. And then we have here boolean for true or false, variable valid. And then we have here the do while. So we have here the title of our program, half pyramid in Java. And then we are asking the user to give a number. And then we have here the condition, so that number will be stored in our variable number, which has a data type of integer as we declare on the top. So if not valid, if the value is less than 2 or more than 10, invalid input. Else it will create an half pyramid using in nested for loop statement. And then it will repeat the process until it will accept valid inputs end of the program. And then we close our scanner, input close, and then we have here the two curly bracket to close the main in the class. So let us run our program so that we can see the output. Okay, so it's running already. Print half pyramid in Java, enter a number, let's say -8. Values less than 2 or more than 10 are invalid input. Try again. So as you can see, it repeat our program. Another example, -7. So it will ask until we give the right value. Let's say 6. See, it's already generated the half pyramid in a program. Let us run again. For the second time, we give 0. It will generate an error. It will ask again, -8. Okay, it will display a message. Let's say we have 34. It is not valid also, error detection. And then if we give 8, it generates the half pyramid. Valid value is 8. End of program. So this is the end of our tutorial video guys. I will put a link in the description below where you can download the complete and free program listing. Thank you so much for your watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel by subscribing. Your support is highly appreciated. So this is your friend Jake saying see you in the next video tutorial guys. Bye bye for now.